Hey guys, no matter which iPhone you guys have, this video is for you. So let's get started. So right now, what apps do you guys get? So default apps, no matter which phone you guys have, really, it's gonna be the exact same thing. We're gonna see all of these guys. And here's basically a summary of all of them. Plus, hidden if you guys had any hidden ones, which we obviously don't because we haven't hidden anything just yet. That's if you want to hide anything. But again, these are just your basic apps. You guys can just get started using your phone. The very first thing I would do if I were you, settings, go into general and check for software updates. Sometimes you do have an update to go. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.